Now to Vote 2012. On Saturday, Democrats will formally select their ticket for the fall election. Today, John Gregg, who won the nomination for governor in the May primary, announced his choice for state school superintendent, and she's a teacher from Indianapolis. RTV6 reporter Norman Cox has more on the candidate. Norman.
Well, to be precise, she's a media specialist at Crooked Creek Elementary School in Washington Township. The candidate is Glenda Ritz, and Gregg introduced her this morning on the south steps of the State House. Gregg said Ritz would give teachers a voice and that the days of demonizing teachers for the problems of Indiana schools are over. Ritz criticized Republican incumbent Tony Bennett and said he has left young people behind and discouraged, and she said he has taken money that could have been spent on student improvement and teacher preparation and spent it on standardized testing that doesn't teach kids how to think.
He imposed a flawed accountability system on our schools, and now our communities are being deemed failures because his grading system ensures that many successful Indiana schools will receive a grade of D or F.
Democratic convention delegates will meet in Fort Wayne Saturday to formally choose their candidates for lieutenant governor, school superintendent, and attorney general. Republicans picked their ticket last weekend. I'm Norman Cox, RTV6.